Workshop 2 is really valuable when it comes to inquiry learning. It teaches students how to bring informative topics to life. So, for example, I remember taking Year 5s to Sovereign Hill in Ballarat in Victoria as part of the 1850s gold rush era unit that we were learning about at the time. Now, the road to gold was a very long and difficult journey. And these historical narratives that the students wrote, they took you on the journey with them. They're amazing. In fact, the teachers at the Sovereign Hill School said these students' historical letters were the most creative and thought-provoking that they'd ever received. And they read thousands every year. So Workshop 2, it helps with inquiry learning by equipping students with the skills needed, such as coming up with good research questions, picking a focus and researching effectively, and how to write in a more gripping way, not just sticking to the facts. This is what Workshop 2 is all about. Informative topics, they're huge and they can be overwhelming for students. So you need to narrow the focus. There's this aha moment when students understand that you can focus in on one area of interest, not the entire topic. You know what I mean? When students try to write about the entire gold rush era or all mini beasts in one text.